Five Nights at Cody's. Hello, my children. I am the one they call the puppet, and today I am playing a random game called a Geometry Dash. What the heck could this be? Oh no, a lot of people have been playing this recently, and I heard that's lots of fun. Alright, now let's do it. I don't know what we're gonna do. Stereo madness, alright? Oh, cool graphics, man. Whoa, oh. Whoa, holy crap. Okay, I'm jumping. Whoa. I have to make many jumps. And also I saw that someone has done this before, but who did? Oh boy. Okay, I'm on a little airship. We're going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship. Ah! What? Unfair, man. I just ran into a wall, or flew into a wall, as a matter of fact. Oh boy. Oh jeez, I hate this. No. Oh jeez. Okay, this again. So we gotta hold the screen for him to fly up. Oh jeez. I don't want to run into the wall like I did last time. Oh jeez. Okay. Okay. Come on! Hey, I just committed suicide. And I did it again. Wow. Okay, that was just hard. Okay, my 5th attempt. Okay. Oh, and I can also see that the walls are turning background. Or, no, what am I saying? I'm supposed to say purple. Oh, that was close. Oh, jeez. Oh, I forgot that there was a spike there. Dang it. Oh, jeez. That was close. No. Come on. Oh my god. How many times do I have to keep jumping out of spikes, which kill me? Nope. Are those even spikes even? What are they? Triangles? Just killing square? Not being a good sport right here. Oh, jeez. I did that on accident. I keep forgetting where the spikes are. Oh, jeez. Okay. That was close. I keep jumping into the pit of spikes. Oh, my God. How many times do I have to do this? Dang it! Why is this happening to me? No, you can't beat me. You can't kill me for good, Geometry Dash. No. Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. So, what is this thing that I'm riding on? Is it a ship? Because it is kind of cool. Oh, jeez. Careful. Okay. Oh, my God. Okay, this is starting to piss me off now. Oh my god! Many attempts later. Okay, attempt 32. I sucked at this game. Does everybody suck at this game? Because I sure do suck at this game. Nope. Oh my god! Why does this keep happening to me? Nope. If I die, what? Oh my god! You know what? I'm done. I am done. Nope. Never doing this ever again.